Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those and you need to find where the radiator fan relay is located, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, relays, fuses at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay, why we do all that. Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now guys, okay, the headlight, the radiator fan relay, where you can expect to find. First, if you have problems with it, we have a special fuse about a radiator fan, so we'll have the video on the channel. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car. The first one is on the inside. If you look under the dash, upside down above the pedals, you'll see one white cover. Open it and that's the interior fuse box layout here. But there is no relays guys here. The relays are located under the hood. Open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, that's the engine fuse box here. Open it guys. Once you do that, you will see that layout here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So what do we have here? Which one we need to check now specifically guys for the radiator fan? Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 relays, but most people don't know about this one, but this is known as integration relay. This relay is a computerized relay that has many functions, but the relay for the radiator fan, it's a simple relay. Which one it is? We're talking about this brownish orange relay right here. That's the radiator fan relay. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.